Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. It's Zeke the programming guy. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add and use boots on Telegram. So guys, boots on Telegram actually helps to make our tasks on Telegram app very easy. Now, instead of you doing things manually, the boots can help you automate the process. So I'm going to be showing you how you can add a boot and make use of it on Telegram. So there are different types of boots that performs different kinds of tasks. So we're going to be using these boots actually, and it's welcome boots. What this boot actually does is that it can welcome users to a group, to a Telegram group, and equally say goodbye to them whenever they choose to leave the group. So let's get started with that. Now, the first step to take in order to achieve that is to search for the boot. So I'm going to search for the boot right now. Now, if you look at the top right corner of your screen, you find this search icon. Go ahead and click on that to search for the boot. So the name of the boot is Welcome Boot. Now, once you search for that, go ahead and click on the first option, which is Welcome Boot. Click on that, and now you find this option, this button at the bottom of your screen, Restart button, or you might see a Start button rather. Just go ahead and click on that, and now once you click on that, all right. So let me delete this and do it again. All right. So here's the start. Now I'm going to click on that. And then once you click on that, you find everything that these boots can do for you. So what this boot actually does is that it welcomes everyone that enters a group chat that is this boot is part of. By default, only the people who invited the boot into the group is able to change things. So only me that invited this boot can be able to remove the boot. Okay, now what this boot does is that it can welcome users, it can say goodbye to users, it can lock the group, it can unlock the group, it can make the group to be quiet, it can unquiet the group. All right, so guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually set a welcome user message in a Telegram group using these boots. So let's get started. Now, once you click on the start and then you find this information, the next thing you have to do is to click on the message bar at the bottom and then use this start with the / and then we have to say welcome, just like this, and then send it to this boot. And then what this boot will ask you to do is please add me to a group first. So guys, we have to add this boot to a group first before it can function in the group. So I'm just going to go back and create a group right away. So if I want to create a group, I'm going to have to click on this pencil at the bottom right corner. I'm going to select new group, and then I'm going to have to add some members to this group. After adding members to this group, I'm going to click on the arrow button at the bottom right corner, and then I'll give my group a name. The name of this group is going to be Zeke the programming guy, and then I'm going to click on this check mark at the bottom right corner, and now I have this group set up. Now if I want to add that boot to this group, I'm just going to have to go back and I'm going to select the welcome boot again, and then I'm going to have to click on the welcome boot name at the top, and then I'll have these 3 dots at the top right corner of my screen. I'll click on that, and then I'll find this option to add to group. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to select the group, and I'm going to click on add, and now the boot has been added. And now once you add it, you find this message which says hello Zeke the programming guy, or whatever is your group name. I will now greet anyone who joins this chat with a nice message. All right, so let's try adding a new member to this group to confirm if this boot is going to welcome the user or not. So I'm going to click on this add members, and I'm going to add a new user to this group and see if it will welcome it or not. All right, I just added someone. All right, it only says you added Ijoma. but this wasn't the kind of message I was expecting. Okay, this welcome boot does not work very well. I'm very sorry about that. All right, but there is this other one that I'm very sure it works very well. So please let's try that other one. Now the name of this one is Miss Rose. So I'm just going to search for it right away. I'm going to be quick about it. Oh, here is it. I'm going to open this one, and you find this restart button at the bottom. Go ahead and click on that. I'm going to delete this message, and then I'll find the start button at the bottom. I'll click on that, and now I'm going to have to add these rows to my group. I'm going to click on this add me to your chat at the bottom, and I'm going to select Zig the programming guy. I'm going to click on add. Now after adding these Miss Rose, now it says PM me if you have any question on how to use me. So the next thing I have to do is to make this Rose the admin of this group. After adding her as a member, I'm going to have to make her the admin of this group too. So I'm going to click on my group name at the top, and then I'm going to have to click and hold on the Rose at the bottom, and then you find the option to promote to admin. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to click on the check mark on the top right corner, and now she has been promoted to admin. So now after promoting her to admin, the next thing we have to do is to add a new member to this group and see if she'll welcome the person or not. So I'm just going to add let me add a new member. All right, let me go back. All right, so I added this new member, and it says, hey there, Josie Jace, and welcome to Zig the Programming Guy. How are you? All right, so this one is working very well. The name of the boot once again is Miss Rose, so that it works perfectly well. I'm very sorry that the welcome boot does not work. This is how you can make use of this is how you can add and use a boot on Telegram. I hope this tip was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like, and of course subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.